Talent. Hi guys, welcome to Heather Talent's Toy Reviews. Right, I have got this Jungle in my pocket from Dollar Tree. Costs $1.50. There's the ones that you can collect right there. Alright, I've got 5 of them to open up. Alright, let's open them up and see what comes inside. There's algae. I can't even, yeah, anyway. Got them out, no. I got Chomper. Cute. These are so cute. They are flocked. Aw, cute. This one. Same. No. Not the same. I got George. Oops. Cute. I want to get all of them. Alligator. Here. Oh. I got Chomper. Cute though. So cute. Hey, 2 left. I got Opal. I think I'm saying that right. I'll do it down here. I'll do all of them, their names down here. Cute. So cute. Hey, last one. If you want to find out the last one, go on to TikTok. Right, if you guys liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys, please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Have 5 guys.